Hi, I'm Jim from Bayrock Financial, and in this short video I'll highlight another key financial guide available for instant download at bayrockfinancial.com. Hey Jay, hope you're doing well. I appreciate your reaching out to see if we can do some work together. You did a great job on Blue Book. And so anyway, what you saw in the beginning, this is a video template. So if I go to ScreenFlow, I'm using ScreenFlow to make a video, and I've got these templates. So I just used one of the templates. If I open the template, let's see, so this is the template I'm using. I think I can open it while I'm using it. Let's see. Yeah. So I don't know if you've ever used ScreenFlow, but you can see it's all pre-packaged. This template it's kind of cool. It's got this clip on the top that I manipulated, and it just goes right over that, and so I fade it out. It doesn't really matter though. This is just the template that I'm using to make this video, and I wanted you to see that. So I'm not sure that I could use you to help me create videos, but what I could use is this. So this is Tubics, app.tubics.com, and I've got more than one. I think I've got videos, and so here's Missional Money. I've got 3 channels, and I really only use 2 right now. Money Study Group, which is what I use for my students at the University of Houston, and I don't really need to optimize those, but Missional Money is the one I'm using for my business. So what I could use is some help doing what I do. So let me just show you what I do, and you tell me if it's something you might want to consider. So this is a FICO score guide, and if you happen to go to my website, this is a resource that I posted. If you go to my home page, you see I have resources and courses, and under resources I post these resources, and each resource, again, it's built with a template, but this is the video that I created for this resource that I posted this morning. So you can watch those videos if you want, but the point what I need is, so that's the video I just posted. I created it, posted it, created this post on my website, shared it on all of my social media. But what I have to do now is I need to go to this video and I need to optimize it. So I click on optimize, and search term, I have to put in a search term, and the search term is FICO. So I'm changing the title, and I'm changing the title in the search term, and I'm going to put FICO. Let's see, it says it gives me search terms, so let's see what we get. FICO score guidelines. Let's say boom. FICO score guidelines. Anyway, this is what I do. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna put these keywords in here, and let's see, there's got to be something for credit. FICO credit score guidelines. Okay. So it says add hashtags to the description. So let's do that. Let's copy this and put a hashtag in. FICO credit score. And I'm just experimenting here. I don't know how much this, I don't know really what makes this work. Credit guide. So I'm just posting credit, FICO credit. I'll say FICO credit or FICO score. So now I put some things in there, add links to description, add links to description, links. Okay, so one of the things I want to put in the description is the link to this guide right here. So, whoops, I'll go in here and I'll scroll down and I'll put a link, and I'll put a link to my website. So I'll also put a link to resource page. So that's the resource page. I don't know if that's what they want or if that's going to help, but okay, add more than 40 characters in the title, video title, guide and guide for building your credit score quickly. So add search term to description. So this is the search term. So I'm going to say, FICO credit score guidelines. Can be tricky. Download our FICO credit score guide, and that's where I'm going to put, whoops, that's where I'm going to put the link to that, so that when anybody looks at this video on YouTube, they'll see they can go right there to the page. So and that page has this video, so I'm assuming that that's helpful. Now add timestamps. This is where I could use your help. How to add timestamps, click there and it tells you how to do it. I'm not going to take time to do that, but if you watch the video in fast speed, so in other words, you could watch any of my videos by clicking on the playback speed, go to 2 times and hit play and take notes and just put timestamps in the video. That's another way to optimize the video to make it more SEO friendly. So that's what I would be interested in having you do if you're interested. And so yeah, that's, now I'm going to hit I'm going to hit update on YouTube, but I'll do that. I'll hit update on YouTube and then I'll show you one more thing. So then we have thumbnail, and we can create an A/B test. Warning, it's never in the first 72 hours. Okay, so I can't do this right now on this video, so let's go to another video, an older video, and I'll just show you real quick what that looks like. It's part of the process. So how to become a fearless investor. So I haven't even done this one, but if I did want to, I could create an A/B test for the thumbnail. I'd say new A/B test, upload, and I'd have to find a fearless investor. So let me go, and this is where it's going to get tricky. Like, you would have to know where my stuff is, and I'd have to make sure you had stuff like the thumbnail. But let's say fearless. See if I got anything in my Dropbox. Fearless, why not? Let's try that. I don't think that's the right one. So let's do that again. I don't like that one because that's a different. So fearless investor. I can't really tell which one I have here, but I'm going to say this one. Yeah, so that's good. So I'll start the test, and now I have an A/B test for this video. but I did not optimize this video, so that's what I would want you to do. That's what I would hire you to do. I don't know how long that would take, but give it a think and let me know what you think, and then shoot me a message back on over there on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching my short video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more resources from Bayrock, don't forget to visit bayrockfinancial.com, and you'll see we have a link at the top for resources. If you scroll down, you'll see all of the resources that we've posted. Just click on the resource, and don't forget, please share these on social media. You can share it on Facebook, share it on Google, share it on Twitter, and my favorite social media, LinkedIn. You can make your money count by enrolling in one of my online courses. We open enrollment every couple of months. Each course is limited to 20 people so that I can deliver one-on-one personal coaching to each and every participant. Check out our special offers at bayrockacademy.com. So I recently updated the top 5 most popular planning tools used by CFP professionals around the world. These guides are available for instant download at bayrockfinancial.com, and you'll see why so many smart investors and financial advisors keep these tools handy throughout the year. Important numbers, key financial numbers, important dates, important milestones, the investment review checklist, and the absolutely essential guide that covers everything you need for your next financial checkup. Each week we'll post a new tool, always free and always available for instant download at bayrockfinancial.com.